Hi guys, it's Marilisa here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to do something different. So I'm going to react to some memes. These memes will be very relatable if y'all have siblings. Even if y'all don't have siblings, y'all can keep watching. Y'all will get to understand what we have to deal with. I'm just joking. Anyways, without wasting any time, let's go. So this first one. Older siblings, I barely touched you, stop overreacting. 1000% so correct. Like literally, she'll just come and she'll hit me, and then she's like, why are you overreacting? I just touched you. Literally, this is the same thing. Next one. After fighting with my sister, oh my god, I think everyone who has a younger sister or like any younger baby in the family has bit you in your life once, or the like any time in your life you might have got this mark. I'm 100% sure. When your older sibling hits you and it barely even hurts, but your mom watching. Literally, I'm telling you now, all these memes are so accurate. You don't do anything. Like when the others will hit you that time, it's like, oh my god, you hit me like this. But when we genuinely hit them lightly, now they'll make such a big drama. Like whole different thing only they'll create to just show and gain sympathy. Me and my siblings don't apologize. We just suddenly start acting nice to each other. Yeah, I don't think we anytime said sorry after. I think I only say sorry. This is actually very true. Like everything is true in these memes. I don't think we anytime said sorry after like an argument or anything, but like on our own we just start talking normally. Ask a sibling for a bite of their food and they'll act like you just asked them to donate you an organ. Anytime I go to any of my sisters and I ask them like, give me something, and they look like this. They literally be like this. I'm correct, no?
You don't do that.
I don't do that. Y'all do that. I'm saying.
You give me your bite easily.
No, but you do this, right?
But even you do,
See,
no?
I'm correct. Next one. When you're fighting with a younger sibling and your mom pulls the who's older card, every time, I don't know for what reason, even if she's done like it's her mistake or anything, every time my mom will be like, you're elder, na? She's elder to you, na? You should understand, na? Like, Hare? Anything to do with keep understanding only or what? When you ask your siblings to bring a glass of water, they will tell you how you treated them 3 months ago. And this exact thing Magdalene had said yesterday, my elder sister, she just was telling my younger sister, like you tell her anything, she'll just tell you 3 months back, like you didn't do this, you didn't give her the remote, you didn't give water, you didn't give this. Yeah, obviously, like if she doesn't do anything, why should I do? Like I remember stuff, so why should I do? Trying to figure out which cup is less full to give to your sibling. I think every single person who has a brother, sister, anyone like keeps doing this. I literally measured everything. Like I don't know about this, even food, everything we do like that. When you hit your sibling too hard and frantically apologize before your mom sees. Oh yeah, who does this? I think you do it, na? You hit Minoshka and then
I will never apologize.
yeah, but I don't think we say sorry like that. I mean, it's not a good thing. But like, even if we fight, I don't think we say like sorry or front of our mother. We'll fight front of our mother only. Last born siblings are by far the most annoying people on earth. Every single time this will be shown, I will just say 1000% right. This is the most accurate one, I think. Last born siblings, I think every house is the same thing. They are always spoiled because so much they get pampered for no reason. I don't know why. Just because they are born, like, correct na mama? This is so true. I'm so like, wow, somebody else also feels like what I feel. Like, do y'all relate to? I don't know about y'all. When your mom is yelling at your brother and you know you're next, Oh yeah, I think like if something is happening with my other sister, like I have two siblings, everybody knows. But like something is happening and I know I'm next, I don't do any work at home. I just try to do some work or this, so she'll see me and she'll be like, okay, at least I'm doing some work. If I'll be lying down, like just doing nothing on my phone, then I'm gone. I'm the next one for sure. When your younger sibling finally becomes cool and you stop fighting all the time, do you want to form an alliance with me? I would not write I would change that sentence to do you want something or what? Like I'll be like, you want something or what? You come to me now. You have any work or what? Or like the front person will be like, please this that do your work, then you can come to know. Like they want something from you. Like this only that they'll do is they'll start behaving nicely. Me, don't touch my stuff, little sibling. That's me, I think. I do that like all the time. I go to annoy both of them. Like for no reason. Just sitting down, I'm bored, like I go to annoy them. My parents, when I ask for $5, my parents, when my little sibling wants something. I think little sibling, they are not little anymore. Like people make them sit on their head, like their parents make them sit on their head. I see this every day in my house. Like Minoshka is pampered so much. Like, correct, right?
No, I think you get the most amount of money in
No.
this house every
It's
week.
not about money, it's about like pampering. Like I order a lot of stuff for me out of all three of them, but I think the most pamper goes to like the little sibling. I don't know why. What is the little sibling? My brother minding his own business, me about to go annoy him because I'm bored. I just said this, like I'll just be sitting and I don't have anything. I'll just get up and I'll just start poking poking both of them and start irritating. Or I'll just randomly call any of them. I'll be like, Minoshka, 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 and she'll come to me and she'll be what? I'll say nothing. And they'll be so irritated. I'm so annoying, no? I'm accepting the fact because I'm bored. My younger sibling everywhere. Hits me real hard, mom. Does nothing, me. Hits back, mom. Oh boy, here I go killing again. I told you all, I've already said 100 times, they are pampered so much. Like in every family, it's like that, huh? Every family. When your friends think your siblings are nice, there are so many people who think like, my siblings are nice. Let me just tell you, please come and take them and go. I don't want them in the house. Like sometimes I get so annoyed when people be like, "Oh, your sister is so cute. She's so sweet." Like, and in my mind, I'll just say I have to say thank you, but in my mind I'll be like, "Do you even know like how they act like when they are like at home or something?" And I'm like, when your mom yelled at you and your eldest sibling tries to comfort you. Yeah, this we do. Like, if someone says, we like that, come ahead and say, like, you know what, forget it, stop it, like that. Like, we don't, we do this, right? Yeah, we do this every time. When your sibling ate the food you hid in the fridge, like purposely, even if I'll hide, no, like I know next day I'm not gonna find it, and they won't even admit that they ate. Okay, when I go in the fridge and I check, like even if I hide it somewhere, it's gone. Next day, it's like you won't find it.
All credits to Minoshka.
Yeah, I feel like this video I'm just targeting, not targeting in the sense Minoshka, like
Spilling
she's
facts.
like literally I'm just being so honest in this video. Like this is what happens like in our house. I don't think not only in our house, it's like everywhere in everyone's house. Yeah, and these were the memes. So that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys like this. This video was literally fun to do, like spilling facts and just being honest about everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do comment below that you guys find it relatable or anything, any meme you'll find relatable, just comment below. And I think, really think that some of you might agree to this, like 100% sure. So yeah, just don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't yet. So yeah, see you next week. Bye.